as you know, our geometry unit, that is lines and angles, are going on. Yesterday we have done some basic concept regarding this one as point, line segment, angles, different types of angles, and the types of angles from our surrounding. We have seen the example also. After that we have done the properties regarding vertical opposite angles, yes, and the linear pair angle. These are the main two properties which is to be used in exercise. Next one is to be angle sum property, that the sum of three angles of a triangle is to be 180 degree. Same also we will apply in the exercise. Now we will just continue our exercise 6.1 with some second. Let's do some second. Yes, what is to be in second sum? That is to be lines xy and this line intersect at P, and we have to given the ratio of A ratio B, that is 2:3, and we have to find angle C. The statement is already with you. Again I am going to say that in geometry question, go through the statement twice or thrice. Just try to read the figure. If the figure is clear to you, automatically you are able to do the sum. Now it is to be given AB, this xy line, and this line PO is standing on this and makes an angle of 90 degree, and A ratio B is to be given 2:3. Whenever ratio is to be given, you have to take let first angle as with x, which ratio is to be given, another which ratio is to be given with x. So here A and B ratio are given to you, so we will take let angle A is equal to 2x, angle B is equal to 3x. Okay, now just see angle B plus A plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because they form a straight angle in a one line. If the angle formed in a one line, that means their sum is 180 degree. So we can say this is a straight angle. Angle XOY is a straight angle. Clear? So we have this divided this straight angle in three angles, that is B, A and angle POY. So we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle POY is equal to 180, that is straight angle. Now A you have chosen as 2x, let B you have to take 3x, angle POY as it is, that is equal to 180. Now angle POY is given as 90 degree. Okay, so our equation will become, put the value of POY in above, that is to be 90 degree. So our statement will change into, that is A plus B plus angle POY is equal to 180 will convert into 2x plus 3y, 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. A instead of A put 2x, instead of P put 3x, instead of POY put 90. So it will become 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. Okay, reason you have written above. Now solve this as linear equation. You have to just take x on one side and the constant on another side. So it will become 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 180 minus 90. This 90 shift to there. So it will gives you 5x is equal to 90. From here value of x is equal to 90 upon 5, that is 18. Okay, now angle A answer will be, that is 2x means 18 into 2, that is 36 degree. In the same way angle B is 18 into 3 as 3x is there. 18 into 3, that is 54 degree. Clear? Now see angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, linear pair angle. B plus C again one linear pair angle. So we can say 54, put the value of B, that is 54 plus C is equal to 180 degree. So from here we can say that angle C is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 126. 180 minus 54, because we have already just find the value of B, that is 54. So angle C is equal to 126 degree. As the question is asked, find the value of angle C, so we have done up to C. So you can at last required answer. So you will write, therefore required answer of angle C is equal to 126 degree. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? I think the things are clear to you. Now let's do the question. It's most important question generally in exam. Okay, Unit is very easy if you will do it on daily basis. Okay, now let's do some third. What is to be in some third? Geometry question we will do 2 or 3 in one day only, so that you just go through the question again and the things will be clear to you. And the question is given in figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Clear? PQR equal to PRQ. Prove angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, so better to draw the figure. Even the figure is given in the book, so draw the figure side by side in your notebook. If the figure is clear to you, then you are able to do the sum. Okay, as I have also doing by drawing the figure. Just see what is to be given in triangle PQR. Angle PQR means this angle is equal to PRQ means this angle. Means triangles inside angle they are given us to be equal. And we have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT means outside angles they are also equal. Okay, first write given. What is given? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Okay, to prove, what we have to prove? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, now solution. Just see. Can I say angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180? The sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Why it is to be 180? You can say straight line also, straight angle also, or you can say, I already told, if a ray falls on any straight line, then these two angles are to be known as linear pair angle or linear pair axiom we generally say. In short form we write only LPA. So we can say angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 LPA. Okay. Similarly, angle PRQ plus angle PRT, that is equal to 180, reason same. Clear? Now just see, one, give it first as number 1, second as number 2. Just see 1 and 2. Both right hand side they are 180. It means they are equal. Okay, if their right side are equal, we can say their left side are also equal. Only just write from first and second. What is become first and second? Angle PQR is plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay, these two equal. But using given, can I say angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ? So these got cancelled to each other by using given. So we will left with only angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Clear? Now next question we are going to do fourth question. What is to be given? In this figure we have to given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. This angle is given to this angle w plus z, and we have to show that angle AOB is a straight line. If we want to show any straight line, it means we have to show that the angles formed by that in line is to be of 180. Okay, either we will show x plus y is equal to 180 or we will show w plus z is equal to 180. If we want to show any one pair is 180, then automatically it will become a straight angle. Okay, now how to show this one we have to do? Just see, we know in a point angle O, in a point O, this point, can I say angle x plus y plus z plus w, that is equal to 360 complete angle. Clear? X plus y plus z plus w, that is 360 by complete angle. But don't forget to write given, to prove, then start solution. In geometry question they also, if you don't know even the answer, if you are writing given, to prove and making the figure, at least by CBSE marking you will get the half marks. Okay, so half marks you, if you want to just want to get it in according to CBSE marking, you must write these things. Okay, now as I have already told that angle x plus y plus z plus w, that is to be 360, write the reason. In geometry reason have their own importance. If you are not going to write the reason, then marks will be deducted. Write reason, complete angle or angle formed in a one point. Okay, So now just see angle x plus y, instead of z plus w I can replace it by angle x plus y is equal to 360. Why? As given x plus y is equal to z plus w. Replace any one pair by another pair, either z plus w replace or x plus y replace. Okay, so it will become x plus y, that is equal to 360 degree. It means twice of x plus y, that is equal to 360. So angle x plus angle y is equal to 360 by 2, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, as what is we have got, as they form a straight angle or linear pair angle, so we can say AOB is a straight line. I already told, if you want to show any is to be straight line, you have to show that the sum of the angle is to be 180 degree. I think the sums are clear. 3 sums I have explained yesterday. We have done first sum, so you have to complete sum 1 to 4 and try 5th and 6th. Okay, goodbye students.